Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, so today we are going to start our next exercise 6.3, and in this exercise we are going to learn about finding the one angle in a triangle. Okay, you have given a triangle, and in that triangle you have to find out one angle. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, students, you have to remember that one thing in your question, that you can apply here angle sum property, means the sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. That you already know from your class 7. Okay, so always remember one thing, that whenever you are finding any angle in a triangle, you can apply their angle sum property, but before you have to at least to know two angles. ठीक है, आपको वो एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगाने से पहले ये पता होना चाहिए कि दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी टू एंगल्स ऑफ दैट ट्रायंगल. ठीक है, एंड सेकंड थिंग, अगर मान लो आपको उसमें दो एंगल्स नहीं पता है, यू हैव ओनली नोज वन एंगल, फॉर दैट you have to find out the second angle also before applying the angle sum property. But for finding that angle, ठीक है, you have to given some clue to find that angle. ठीक है, आपको वो एंगल फाइंड करने के लिए कोई ना कोई क्लू पक्का दिया होगा उस क्वेश्चन में, जिसको आप अप्लाई करके जो है उस अननोन सेकंड एंगल को भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर फाइंडिंग दैट अननोन सेकंड एंगल, you can apply your angle sum property. So let's see how it is. So as you have given in your first question that there is a triangle and the name of the triangle is PQR. That's of your book. And you have given two exterior angles. One is 110 and other is 135. And the question is that you have to find out the angle PRQ. ठीक है, आपने जो एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है दैट इज PRQ फाइंड करना है. एंड फॉर फाइंडिंग PRQ, ये अगर आपने फाइंड करना है, इट मींस वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दीज एंगल्स फर्स्ट. ठीक है, जो रेस्ट ऑफ टू एंगल्स हैं, दोज एंगल्स वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट. सो आई मीन दिस इज let angle 1 and then उसका नाम रखते हैं angle 1, and this is angle 2 and this is angle R, which we will find, but before that we have to find angle 1 as well as angle 2, and I can name it as angle 3 also. So let's start. So first of all, you can see that if I am using angle 1 and 135, they are लीनियर पेयर. ये दोनों ही मिलके आपके क्या बना रहे हैं, लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं. इट मीन्स आई कैन यूज़ और आई कैन अप्लाई हियर लीनियर पेयर, जो कि हमने अपनी लास्ट एक्सरसाइज में भी पढ़ा हुआ है. ठीक है, सो वी कैन राइट हियर एंगल 1 प्लस 135 इज इक्वल टू 180 and the reason is linear pair. Those are your linear pair. And the angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 135. So the value of angle 1 is become 45 degree. तो जो एंगल 1 की वैल्यू है वो आपकी कितनी आ गई है, 45 डिग्री. Now we are going to find angle 2. For angle 2 you can write that angle 2 plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 100. Then angle 2 is equal to, and subtract it become 70 degree. You see that we have now both the two angles. आपके पास दोनों एंगल्स आ गए, एंगल 1 as well as एंगल 2, and now you can apply your angle sum property. ठीक है, बिकॉज एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी तभी लगा सकते हो अगर आपको एक एंगल नहीं मालूम. ठीक है, या फिर जो रेस्ट ऑफ द टू एंगल्स है उसका कोई रिलेशन होना चाहिए आपस में, देन आल्सो यू कैन अप्लाई योर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, सो नाउ आई कैन राइट दैट एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 reason is angle sum property. Okay, that is known as angle sum property. So you know the value of angle 1 45, angle 2 70 degree, and angle 3 which we are going to find. So it becomes 5 150 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. So angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 150. So angle 3 is equal to become 5 and 6. So it becomes 65 degree. Got it, students? Now in this way we have now the solution of question number 1. Now let's start question number 2. So in this one, here question number 2. What is question number 2? First we understand question number 2 and then we will solve it. Okay. So you have given, क्या given है? With the triangle x, y and z. In this triangle there is another triangle. एक और triangle बीच में बन रहा है. That is phi o z. Question आपके में ये given है that this angle you know, this angle you know, but they are asking about this angle phi o z. In your book they are asking angle phi o z. तो y o z find करने से पहले मुझे ऑब्वियस है these two angles I have to find out. ये दोनों एंगल्स आपको मुझे फाइंड करने पड़ेंगे. तो ये फाइंड करने से पहले हम क्या कर, कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? मैंने बोला हर क्वेश्चन में कोई ना कोई ऐसा आपको क्लू वो जरूर देते हैं. So if you see carefully, if you read the statement carefully, then you will find out that this YO and ZO, these two lines bisect angle Y as well as angle Z respectively. It means if you know the angle Y at 54, it means you can find out this angle by dividing 2, because that is saying that this line is bisecting. Bisecting मतलब two equal parts. In the same way, if I know angle Z, then I can find this interior angle also. So my first target is to find out angle Z. So angle Z कैसे find out कर सकते हो आप? Angle Z find करने के लिए आप अगर ध्यान से देखो, आपको जो यहाँ पे big triangle नजर आ रहा है, that is x, y, z. In this you already knows two angles, and one angle you have to find out, and for that one you can apply your angle sum property. So let's start. In triangle x, y, z, we can write angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property. As usual I told you. Now the value of x is 52, angle y is 54, and angle z is 5. So I'll add 6, 6, 5, 11 plus angle z is equal to 180. So angle z is equal to 180. This is plus 160 will become minus. So angle z is equal to that become 4 and become 64. So now you can see that the angle z is your 64 degree. Okay, so now we know both of the angle y, angle z. So now we have to find out these interior angle. Given now this is angle 1, okay, this is angle 2, and this is angle 3 which we are going to find out. So first of all, in triangle YOZ, angle 1 that is equal to angle y upon 2. ठीक है, पता नहीं क्यों हम आप कर रहे हैं? Because it is already mentioned in the question that the ray YO bisect angle y. So angle y is your 54 divided by 2, it becomes 27 degree. So now you have angle 1. In the same way, we can find angle 2 also. So angle 2 can be written as angle Z upon 2. So the value of angle Z is, अभी हमने find किया, yes, 64 degree. So now when we divide, it becomes 32 degree. Angle Z की value, angle 2 की value आपके पास आ गई 32 degree. Now we can apply our angle sum property. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. The value of angle 1 is, yes, 27. Angle 2 is 32 and angle 3 which we will find out. Angle 3 आपको आपने find out करना. So add these two to become 9 into 5 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. So angle 3 will equal to 180 minus 15. So angle 3 is equal to 1 and 7 minus 5 2. It means angle 3 is 121. ठीक है? Okay. So now let's start question number 3rd. So for question number 3rd, okay. So let's see the question number 3rd कि हमने उसमें क्या फाइंड करना है और क्या हमें given. So in question number 3rd, you have given in your question what, that angle B is parallel to angle side line AB is parallel to line DE. ये आपको given है. Okay. और ये angle 35 and this is 53. The question is to find out the angle C. ये आपने angle C find out करना है. And for finding angle C, you know very well, in this triangle DCE, we have to know two angles, but we know only one angle. So we will find out angle E. तो E कैसे find करें? अगर आप ध्यान से देखो 35, yes, it become your alternate interior angle because these two lines are parallel and this one is transversal line. So we can say that angle E is your 35 degree. So since AB is parallel to DE, it means we can say angle E is equal to 35 degree. The reason is alternate interior angles. ठीक है, ये आपका alternate angles हैं. So angle E की वैल्यू आपको पता लग गई. अगर आपको angle E पता लग गया है, this angle knows and we will find angle C. इसका आप कुछ angle C भी कह सकते हो. For finding angle C, now we can apply our angle sum property. So in triangle DCE, angle D plus angle C plus angle E is equal to 180. That is angle sum property. The value of angle D is 53. Angle C हमें फाइंड आउट करना है और एंगल E आपको पता है 35. So become 8 and 35 again 8 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 80. So what angle C is, it becomes 2 and 9. So the angle is 92 degree. So hope friends you understand these three sums of exercise your 6.3 class 9. So in these three sums you can see that how easy these are. So by solving those, by practicing those, you can do more sums and easily. Thank you, students. Have a beautiful day. Thank you, students.